channel. I'm Kathy from Creative KitKat. Yeah, so I finally finished my Divine Instinct diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. Yes. So these are all the drills that are left over from the project that I have just finished. And look at that. I actually didn't run out of any drills at all, and I'm particularly happy with this three drills left over because they're all AB drills. Yay! So I could definitely use them for future or other diamond paintings later on. Yeah! And look at that. I didn't run out of the dark colors at all, and you can see I still have a big bag. Well, half a bag of 939, also with 823. I apologize with the lighting, it's too bright in here. And definitely a huge bag of 310. Yeah, so I didn't have any problems with my with the drills at all, and I particularly love how the colorful drills contrasted with with the dark drills itself. And as you can see here, for a painting this big, I only have this much of leftover garbage, so it really isn't much. And even from here you can see that they're very sparkly, right? Yeah, so I really love the quality of the drills that I got. Well, the round drills from Diamond Art Club. The first one that I did, the square one, I think it's also sparkly, but not as much, I think, with these round drills. Later on, I'll show you. I'll show you what I mean with this when I flip over this the finished completed painting itself. Yeah, you will see why I really love this particular painting itself. Yeah, so I really enjoy doing this painting. Let me just set aside all these drills and I'll show you what the painting looks like. Oh my god, so this is what the painting looks like. Isn't it marvelous? Yeah, so I really had a wonderful time doing this painting from Diamond Art Club. So I think the artist who made this is actually Rayven Phelan. I think that's how you pronounce it. His or her name, I have no idea. So this painting is 56 by 71 cm. So good thing I was able to fit it in frame. So this is how it looks like, and what I'll do is I'll take you out of the tripod and let's zoom in and see what I did to change this whole painting itself. So I don't know whether you can see how sparkly this painting is. Maybe I'll zoom in a little bit. It's really sparkly. So I turned off the overhead light so you will see how sparkly this painting is. Even if there wasn't a sprinkle of different colored different colored different colored drills over here, I think the blacks and the dark blues all over this side actually captures a lot of sparkle from any light or any light source that reflects on it. So I apologize if you hear any noise at the background. It's because there's construction going on outside. So I'll take you out of the tripod so we can zoom in and look at the quality of the drills itself and what I did to make some changes. Yeah. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see that I've added my own. I've added my name onto the canvas itself. So I have a video showing how I did that, how I changed my name, and I'll put a link on the description down below and also on the eye above. So there you go. I used my own moon AB sparkler on this to put on my name. Yeah. And then all across the dark areas of the canvas itself, what I did was I've added some metallic drills like that. Metallic drills over here. Yeah. Yeah, so that adds another depth onto the whole background itself. Yeah, so I'll slowly move. You can see I didn't do any changes on this portion of the canvas, except I did a lot of changes on the eye itself, and you can see right over there I've changed these sparkles into gold, sorry, these portions into gold metallic drills on my own gold metallic drills. And the eyes itself isn't supposed to be like that. I think I have a photo of what it's supposed to look like. And I decided to change most of it, most of it to the AB drills, and then I used my own peacock sparklers. There you go. So the eyes popped out a little bit more, and all across the eyes itself I changed the gold using the gold metallic drills, and you can see it right all over there. And when we move up, the wolf has a moon on its forehead. So what I did was also change the drills surrounding it into silver metallic drills. Oh my god, the actual output after I've changed everything is like that. Doesn't that pop out more? So that's what I have decided to do from now onwards. Well, ever since my mama knows best, what I did was that for all my paintings moving forward, I will definitely be changing some of the drills into to add more AB is either AB drills, metallic drills, or sparklers onto the painting itself. Yeah, so isn't that so nice? I'll show you what it looks like if it's on a darker background. You'll see how everything, the ABs and the metallic drills pops out more. So that definitely it definitely provides more definition and more character on with your own with the painting
you guys once again for watching this video. If you like this like I did, please give me a thumbs up so I know that I'm doing the right thing. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to get back to you promptly. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button if you haven't done so. Before you go, remember to sparkle like no other. See you on my next video. Bye!